To start a journey of the Eiffel Tower, the first and the foremost thing which we need is the tickets. There are three kinds of tickets: the staircase ticket to the second floor, lift tickets to the second floor, and the lift tickets to the summit. The price vary depend on the type of tickets and the visitor's age. Generally, there are different rates for adults, youth is between 12 and 24, children 4 to 11, and children under 4 are usually free. Booking options online in advance, which is highly recommended. On-site at the tower may involve a long waiting queue. Buying ticket in advance online is highly recommended, especially during the peak tourist season, as it allows you to skip the ticket office queue. Time slots are often available when booking, allowing visitors to plan their visit more efficiently. The tower has different open hours depending on the season. Typically, open hours are from 9 a.m. and closing at 11:45 p.m. and 12:45 a.m. Some additional tips: considering visit during off-peak hours for a shorter queue, check any of the ongoing renovation and restrictions before and looking into a combi ticket that may include other Paris attractions. Floor ticket is 35.30 euros if you take the lift. But if you take the stairs and then the lift, it is 26.9 euros. Going to the second floor is 22.66 euro and taking the stair is 14.22. I would strongly recommend that people should take the lift. It is good for younger people to take the stairs, but the lift it would be a better option here. The Eiffel Tower is an architectural and a designing marvel, primarily constructed from wrought iron. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, the tower's innovative structure and design have made it an enduring symbol of engineering power. Eiffel Tower stands on 4 massive piers, forming a square base with sides measuring 125 meters, 410 feet. Each leg rests on a concrete foundation, anchored deeply in the ground, support the tower's immense weight and enduring stability, and the foundation have been laid in waterlogged ground, a channel that has made with innovative engineering solutions. The tower is composed of 18,038 individual iron parts, joined together by 2.5 million rivets. The iron frame is designed to withstand with wind pressure, temperature variations, allowing the structure to slightly in a strong wind and expand on contract with temperature changes. The flexibility is the key feature that has contributed to tower's longevity. Eiffel Tower has 3 public accessible levels. The first level, 57 meters, 187 feet. This level features a transparent floor section, restaurants, shops, and it offers a unique perspective on the tower's structure and the surrounding area. The second level is 115 meters, 377 feet, known for its stunning view of the Paris. This level also houses the famous restaurant Le Jules Verne. The visitors can see landmarks like Louvre, Notre Dame, and Seine River. The third level is 276 meters, 906 feet, the highest accessible point, providing a panoramic view of the Paris and beyond. This level features a smaller observation deck and a replica of Gustave Eiffel's office. The Eiffel Tower's design incorporated numerous diagonal iron beams forming a lattice pattern. This truss structure distributes weight efficiently and provides excellent resistance to wind. The design allows the tower to remain stable despite its height and relative lightweight iron construction. The regular maintenance is crucial for Eiffel Tower. It is repainted approximately every 7 years to prevent rust and corrosion. Requires about 60 tons of paint. Over the years, tower has been modified to accommodate modern amenities like elevators, improved lighting, and safety features. At night, the Eiffel Tower is illuminated by a system of lightings and projectors, including 20,000 light bulbs that twinkle for 5 minutes every hour on the hour. This nightly displays enhance the tower's aesthetic appeal and becomes one of the most beloved features. Eiffel Tower structure is not only a feat of engineering but a symbol of industrial age and the potential of human ingenuity. It is open lattice design. It is a revolutionary at the time and allows combination of strength and transparency that has inspired countless structure worldwide. Overall, Eiffel Tower structure design and engineering innovation continues to make it an architectural wonder and enduring emblem of Paris and of France.